Hey, it's Abhi here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a fully automated business that pays daily. Okay, and these are my recent results. So on 14th, I actually got $900 got paid, and on 15th, I made about $100. So $1,000 in a span of 2 days. Okay, and I actually uploaded a video yesterday as well. I'm not sure if someone purchased from that video, but I think it seems to be before that. So I'm promoting it on different social medias too. So if you are watching this video and if you have purchased this from me, please contact me at abhi@profitnows.com or support@buildwithabhi.com. Okay, so that I can help you get started and do it the right way. Okay, now back to the fully automated business that pays daily. So how this process works. So this is how the bird eye view of the process looks like. Okay, the step 1, the step 2, and step 3. So what we will do is we will start with step number 2. Okay, this is important. There is a reason for it, right? I will explain this. Okay, so the step is the automated system designed to follow up and convert leads into sales. Okay, so if you have, for example, if you have any offer, if you have your own offer, you have your own high ticket offer, whatever, and if you want to sell it, you need to have a system like this, and I will explain that. Okay, so what happens is, let me just draw here, and yeah, that's fine. So what happens is, let's say someone, you are promoting this, you have posted this on social media, whatever. Okay, visitors are coming to this page, and this page is called a capture page, and the job of this page is to capture the emails of these visitors. Okay, now that's a terrible drawing, but you get the point. So this is an example of that page. Okay, so for example, if someone is looking to make money online or start a digital business, right, they will reach this page, for example, and they will be interested because they want to make money online. Okay, so discover how to earn 100% profits online using a proven blueprint, a step-by-step system, plus get instant access to Freedom Formula Blueprint. Okay, so when they see this and they want to build an online business and make money online, so when they see this, they will get intrigued, they will get curious, and they want to know what the step-by-step system is, what the proven blueprint is. So their action would be entering their email to get to the details. Okay, and that is how a capture page works. So when you capture that email, two things happen simultaneously. One, they gets redirected to this page called sales page, and two, they will get saved to a system called email list, right? If 10 people enter their emails here, those 10 people will be saved in here on your email list. So back here, what happens is they will come here and they will get what I promised here on this page right here, right? This video right here would be talking about that step-by-step system, and there will be a buy button below. And when they click that buy button and when they purchase it, I make money. Okay, and here is an email list, and this will work for you, right? You will pre-set up this. You don't have to email them manually. Okay, so what happens is you will have these emails, like there will be more emails, 5 emails, 6, 7, right? So what happens is they will get, so first of all, for any reason they didn't purchase it. Maybe the price point is high for them. Maybe they are not convinced why this is a best fit for them. Maybe they are traveling. Maybe they are on a bus. Could be any reason, right? And that is why we are capturing these emails, to constantly remind them about this offer that has this step-by-step system that can help them. These emails will constantly remind them that. These emails will also show other members' results, their testimonials with them. It will also, send them emails with different angles, psychological triggers, which will help you to close sales and make $100 to $900. And by the way, instant profits. Okay, instant 100% profits directly to your PayPal, directly to your Stripe, Payoneer, whatever that you want, and that gets paid to your bank account, right? And the beautiful thing about this is that you do not have to wait for a network to pay you, right? I see this all the time. I'm an affiliate marketer, so on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, when you first make a sale, if you're brand new, right, it will take a while, like 30 days, 45 days even, to get paid out to your bank account or to your PayPal or Payoneer. So yeah, let me show you these emails. Okay, so you saw the capture page, and let me show you example of emails. Okay, so if you want my system, right, if you want to check out my system that gives you 100% profits for you from $100 to $900, right, you will also receive these done for you emails. And these are not generic emails, these are carefully written emails targeted to convert your leads to sales. So you can see that these are like about 30 emails right here, right, that goes every day. So day 1 goes this, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and there's day 30, right? And this is what a fully automated business looks like. So let's say you have this covered out, right? You got this covered, and you have integrated your PayPal, your Stripe to this system so that you get paid 100% profits instantly to your accounts. Okay, now all you need to do, your job is to get these visitors right here, right? These visitors right here. So what you need to do is you need to focus on posting 3 short pieces of content on any social media that you like. If you use Facebook Reels, if you use TikTok a lot, if you use Instagram a lot, just pick one and start on them and just post 3 short pieces of content. If you don't want to show your face, that is fine. You can do this faceless, and there is tutorials, there is training about doing faceless marketing as well. And if you do this, you just need to put 2-hour focused work a day. And if you can do that, you will be able to get results. Now I do YouTube, right? YouTube long format, because I've been doing this for a while, and if you're a beginner, this could be a little tough, right? But yes, if you can do this, that's great. You will get a lot of authority and trust building via long form videos. But short form content is like the fastest and the most viral way to get traffic to your capture page. All your job is to get people to your capture page and let the system work for you to get you paid. And all of this, if you don't know how to create these 3 short pieces of content, you will learn it, right? You will upskill yourself. You will learn how to get people to capture page here. By the way, this system only takes about 1 hour, like 1 hour, or maximum if you're a complete beginner, maybe 1.5 hours to set up, but that's that. Now some people, I just remembered this, right? Some people ask me, why send them to a capture page? Why not directly send them to a sales page? Won't I lose visitors if someone didn't sign up and just goes away? But the thing is, guys, let's say 100 people come in here and you get a 30% conversion rate here, just 30%, right? Which is very, very normal. And when you get to that, there's 30 people on your email list that is getting your emails constantly. Now let's say you have sent 100 visitors right here. Okay, the same example, 100 visitors right here to sales page. Now let's say 1 person purchased. Great. But you won't see 99 other people anymore. Okay, but in here you will see 30 people on your email list, and you will keep it growing to 300, and that's like very easy, actually very simple to do this with this strategy of 3 short pieces of content on simple social media, and you will learn how to do this. So if you actually want to do this for yourself, giving yourself a chance to make $100, $300, $600, $900, 100% profits directly to your bank account, build a solid business, solid system, then I will leave a link, and I will actually leave the link of this one right here, so you will see how it works for yourself. Okay, and when you take action, please contact me at abhi@profitnotch.com or support@buildwithabhi.com so that I can help you. So what's the wait for? Go and take action and get that fully automated business created. Link will be in the description. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.